how to connect WhatsApp to your Meta Business Suite. So first of all, just log into whichever account you want to do this process on, of course, and you're gonna have to navigate yourself to the left tab, which should just include your settings. So press on your settings over here. If you don't have this kind of options, just go ahead and press on the home option or restart, or just go to an account that actually allows this, like your business portfolio. But once you're here and you have your business info, go ahead to the accounts. You should be able to find a WhatsApp account over here, and you're gonna click on that and you will be able to see something like this. So of course it's gonna say there isn't any WhatsApp accounts added yet. Just go ahead and press on add from here or here in the top right corner. You can choose whether to create a new WhatsApp business account or to just link a WhatsApp business account if you already have one. So in your case, maybe you don't have one yet, just go ahead and press on create a new one. Of course, it's going to ask you to fill in a few descriptions and details, including a phone number and then a phone verification. So it should just be pretty simple. Follow on the step-by-step instructions on how to do so, since they will just tell you how to. Or if you already have one, just go ahead and press on link a WhatsApp business account. Just go ahead and put in the phone number. Just go ahead and put in the phone number by putting on the corresponding country code and then the number itself. Then just go ahead and press on continue and follow up with the next step-by-step or the other prompts to finish up with the connection. But that's pretty much how you connect your WhatsApp account to your Meta Business Suite. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.